Hi, welcome to Glow's Candid Kitchen, and I'm Glow. Well, today I wanted to share a recipe with you that I have, and it's for popcorn. I don't know about all of you, but I cook my popcorn on top of the stove. And I thought I would show you how to do it. If you don't know how, it's very easy. And the one I'm going to make today is called sweet and savory popcorn. And I've got to tell you, it is delicious. It's actually addicting. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing we want to do is you want to take a pot like this. This is a 4-quart pot. And what I'm going to do is I have the saute olive oil. So it's for higher temperature. And I'm going to lightly cover the bottom of this pan with this oil. So it's probably 2.5 maybe tablespoons. Make sure we got enough in there. I think that's enough. So the next thing we're going to do is I buy popcorn in a bag and then I put it in a canning jar, just like this. And I always label it, and I have 1/3 cup here. The main thing is when you put your popcorn in here, you want it to cover the bottom of your pan. So that's 1/3, and I can actually put more in there.
Miss Glow, what kind of popcorn is it? Just regular popcorn?
Yeah, this is the yellow popcorn. You can also buy white popcorn, and when you pop that, the kernels are smaller. So that's pretty much the difference. It might be a little sweeter too, but
sweeter?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
That's really about the only difference. So I would say we have probably almost 1/2 cup there. You always want to make sure that you have a lid handy. I actually think I'm going to put a little bit more oil in there, but not much. There. So now I'm going to turn my burner up to medium.
Okay.
And the goal here is we need to bring this up to where it's going to start popping. You're going to see the oil start to sizzle in here. And when you see that starting to sizzle, that's when you want to put your lid on. But you want to make sure that your kernels have the oil on them just like they do now. So we'll be back in probably a minute, and it'll be already starting to pop. So I'll see you in about a minute. All right, take a look down in here. You can see that one of the kernels just popped.
There it is.
Yep. So, and you can start to smell it already. See ahead, there it goes.
Oh.
So I'm going to put the lid on.
Hit you right in the head.
This lid is cool because you're able to see right through it. And there is a steam vent there. And so we're going to go like this. Of course, as it starts to steam, you're not going to be able to see it as well. But you can kind of watch them pop.
There they go. Popping away. Pop, 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 up into the top.
And this is going to take just a couple of minutes to pop. So we're going to let this continue to pop, and there it's going. Full speed ahead. And so we'll be back as it's starting to finish popping, and then I'm going to show you the next step.
Well, there it goes. It's popping away.
It sure does smell good, doesn't it?
It does.
I love homemade popcorn. And it's so much healthier for you than the kind that you do in the microwave that you buy in the little paper bags.
No, we don't buy those anymore.
And once it stops popping, you know, we'll pull it off because we don't want it to burn. But it's still popping a little here.
Slowing down.
Yep, it's almost all done. There, I would say that's enough.
That was quick.
So we're going to go ahead and take the top off. Wow, look at that. I'm going to just put the lid over here. See how nice that is?
Looks good. Smells good too.
So I'm going to go ahead and put this in this bowl. Wow, and look at that. We hardly have any Old Maids left. An Old Maid is one of the kernels that didn't pop, and the only one I see in there is that one right down in there.
Yeah,
so that is an indication that that is fresh popcorn. So the next step is I have a combination of real butter and also olive oil in here. And I'm going to just drizzle that over this hot popcorn. And this is about 1/4 cup. Let's see. And we may have to add extra, I don't know. Just put that.
You don't want to get it too wet like at the movies.
No. Now the sweet and savory part is exactly what I said. It is a combination of curry powder, and I have homemade curry powder that I keep on hand. And I'll put it down in the description where we have the ingredients. I'll put on how to make that just in case you guys don't have a recipe for that. I have 1/8 teaspoon of ground cardamom, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And I'm just going to sprinkle that over here. So let's stir this up a little. It's pretty full, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
And we may need to put some salt in this, but might not. We'll just see. There's so many things you can do with popcorn for seasonings. I just wanted to share this one with you today. But we'll, in the future, make some other ones too, because it makes a great snack. It's fairly healthy. And it's not expensive to make at all. Like the bag of popcorn, and actually it was, I had enough for 2 pots besides what I filled up in here, and that bag of popcorn was only $2. And you can make a lot of popcorn.
Just think how much that would cost at the movies.
Yeah. And the little bit of seasoning that's here, and the oil, it doesn't cost much at all.
Of course, we haven't been to the movies in a long time, but the last time we went, it was expensive.
Yeah.
Can't beat homemade.
So there you go. And see how quick that was to put together?
That's
I'm going to
pretty
sample
quick, Miss
it.
Chloe.
I wish you guys were here to smell this and to taste this.
Can I sample it?
Absolutely.
Get one in there.
It's addicting.
It is good.
Oh, so yummy. Nice and fresh.
Very good.
So anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. And if you have, and you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do. Give me a comment and a thumbs up. And I'll talk to you later in the next video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.